In this video, we will talk about destination folder access denied Windows 11. Make sure to watch the complete video. Method 1. Folder permissions. Right-click the folder. Select Properties. Go to the Security tab. Click Edit. Select your username from the list. If it's not there, click Add to include it. Enter your username and click on Check Names. Either you can select Advanced. Now click on Find Now. From the list, search for your user account name and click on OK. Again, click on OK. Check the box for full control under the Allow column. Click Apply and OK to save changes. Method 2. Disable user account control temporarily. Click in Search. Type UAC and open Change User Account Control Settings. Move the slider to Never Notify and click OK. Click on Yes. Now, try to open the file. Remember to re-enable UAC by returning the slider to its original position after completing the operation. So that's how you can fix destination folder access denied Windows 11. If these methods didn't resolve your issue, check out our other methods to fix the issue, linked in the pinned comment below. That's all for today. See you in the next video.